What?
Where am I from in Nigeria?
I actually don't remember.
I'm Igbo.
Yeah, but the state.
I didn't say the state. I said, where am I from in Nigeria? That's what I said.
Yeah, obviously you're Igbo.
Did you say that? It's not Igbo, by the way. It's Igbo.
Igbo.
Igbo?
For Igbo.
But Igbo.
I want Igbo and Shayo.
No, so it's not. So Igbo. And not Igbo.
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 Not Igbo. Igbo.
Igbo. It's Igbo, man.
It's not Igbo. It's not Igbo. There's no such thing as Igbo. It's Igbo.
Igbo.
Bo.
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 Not Bo. This is how the British people changed even the spelling. They spell IBO. It's not IBO, by the way. It's IGBO.
The G is silent, honey.
It's not. That's what make the Bo.
Igbo. Igbo. It's Igbo. Igbo. Yo, I'm mad that I didn't get that because in my head I'm thinking of state. That's why I'm always saying.
That's why I told you, like, it's very simple. I'm from Imo. I'm from Imo
Anambra State.
No, I'm not from Anambra State.
It's what?
I'm from Imo State.
Imo State. I actually know this.
You do.